This is 200 square feet gardening plot. So I want to explain what I have put in here. So this line is tomatoes and Kroger red tomatoes, and it's the same for this line until here, and after that this one and that line is sour spinach, Indian sour spinach, and then this line next to tomatoes is bitter gourd and dollar tree bush beans. Then this line is okra until tomatoes, and then this line is chilies, and after that it's cluster beans and a little bit of hibernate beans, I believe. And then here this line is eggplant. Yep, that's it. This is view from far. Yep. And today is 4/16/2022. Today is Saturday in Bloomington, Indiana. EST time zone.